Drivers of heavy-duty trucks continue to ignore a no-truck entry sign mere feet away from the once closed bridge at Gillette Corner in Gulf St. John. NDC caretaker for the parish, Senator Dr. George Vincent, says this is a frequent occurrence as trucks with heavy load continue to use the bridge, disregarding another major sign and barrier that clearly says maximum load of 3 tons only.
This bridge was propped up. The engineer said that it can only take 3-ton vehicles. There's a big sign which you saw. There is a sign, and what has happened is that they've pushed that aside, and it is, look where it's cracking. Every vehicle is passing here. Not only these trucks, but the cement trucks pass here. And watch, it is falling apart. Next thing, we have another disaster here.
Johnson Mark, owner of J. Mark Bobcat Backhoe and Trucking Services, says he was responsible for reinforcing some of the bridges in the area years ago when they were showing signs of deterioration. However, he says this was supposed to be a temporary solution. He is calling on government to look into the present condition of the bridges before it collapses.
We mentioned about putting back a reinforcement there so that the bridge could have been stronger, but then the ministry did not take any decision in doing it. So they left it just like that. I think that should have reinforced that the bridge could last longer. Because if it falls, is when that bridge is going to build, then that's a long time after. But so that could have been done and keep the bridge stronger for a longer time.
Mr. Mark also showed GBN News cameras 2 other bridges in the area known as Brothers that lead to major farmlands. Those bridges are also showing signs of rapid deterioration after years of neglect. One of the bridges is close to the entrance to Florida St. John. He said he made efforts to provide temporary restoration measures until something better is done.
I normally do a lot of voluntary work with somebody by the name of Mike Alfrance. He was in ministry at the time. I went down by Mr. Ross in Lagoon Road and pick up these pieces of steel and put it here since after Ivan and Emily. And as it stands now, that is what have the road functioning.
Mark suggested that part of the $12 million loan planned for the lighting of the National Cricket Stadium could be used to repair the infrastructure. Colin Campbell, GBN News.